How to turn off show read receipts on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off show read receipts on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and now click settings and privacy and then click privacy and safety, and now you need to find this one, direct messages. Click on it and then just turn this one off, show read receipts. And as you see, show read receipts has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on again just click on it. And that's how turn off show read receipts on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.